In this video, I'm going to show you how to import trades into TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do here is you want to go to the Add Trade button inside your dashboard, and then you want to go to Add New Account, top right. Here, you want to select your account you basically want to import trades from. So I'm going to do the TradingView paper trading for this tutorial, but of course for you, you can do whatever you want. Click on Continue and then press on File Upload. Now to import trades, click on Continue, and then here it's going to ask you for a time zone, for date format, and for broker company. Now, it may differ if you've chosen a different broker. I have TradingView, so that's what's asking me for. And here comes the most important part. If you don't do the date format correctly, it's most of the time not going to work and not going to import. So what I would recommend is when you have your CSV file, just open it up and then look at the date format. So over here for me, the date format, as you can see, is year, month, day. So what I have to do is date format should be year, month, day. Now, when you do that, you then want to upload your file. So I'm going to drag and drop, or you can upload file and basically search your computer, and it's going to say finalizing import. And there we go, successfully imported 4 of 4 executions, and you can view your results on the dashboard. So that's how easy it is. However, if you have an account created already, so for example, if we go to add trade, and then here you have an account already, like I do with Interactive Brokers, you can just click on those 3 dots, click on file upload, and then go from there. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.